You go for the witness.
I'm behind it on Beauchamp. Coming up to, I think it's Mickey Lane. We're on Lawson Road, passing Marsh right now. Will you let County know? I got away from their Mac channel. Let them know we're headed kind of northwest on Marsh Road.
I thought that, right? What's your speed?
60. He's got a flat. Coming up the Saline Road. It's a dually truck. I don't know if I'm going to be able to TBI it, but I'll try here. It's going right on Colonel Glenn, heading back towards Little Rock.
Right on Colonel Glenn.
I can set up the spike if you need me to.
Yeah, we're only going about 50.
Make sure you've got a hard cover spot before you set those up. 10-4, yes sir. 41 to 47, I'm not behind you. 10-4, let's find a place to set these mics up.
Going about 50. He's lost 2 tires, so you gotta be careful because it's about out of control.
Y'all might be able to make it to the Latture County side instead of there.
Coming up to Adobe.
I think we're going to have some time for that police.
TBI. Get on the ground now! Get on the fucking ground! Now!
I didn't do nothing.
Get your hands behind your back!
Yes, sir. What were y'all shooting at me for?
11015, 11015.
Get out of the fucking car now! Get out of the car now! Get out! Get out of the car! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Give me a cuff.
Stand by and we'll get a...
What were y'all shooting at me for? What were y'all shooting at me for?
Who's shooting at you?
The guy in the red car that I backed into.
Well, probably because you fucking backed
No,
into
he
him.
was shooting at me before that happened.
He shot at you.
Well, all I know is he started shooting at me.
Well,
Y'all got me. I'm not resisting.
what's his closest patrol?
Hey, let them know we're 15.
I did. Alright, okay.
Roller.
Only thing I've got is my back pocket.
Boy, what's that dog would have got you. Alright. Stand up.
That's right.
Stand up. Alright. Give me a second. You cool? Thank you.
Sir, 14 cents. Go ahead and start firing.
Why was he shooting at me?
Why were you running?
Because he started shooting at me. I pulled over to see what he wanted. He started shooting at me.
See what you did in my car? Where? Get in. Oh. 83 literal. It's 1011 for this truck, and I've got damage to my vehicle, but it's drivable. Let them know it's on fire. It's in fact. Do what? Where at? He's got one.
83, can we clear the net?
Yeah, 10-4.
Hey, sir.
Yes.
Did you get my keys out of that truck? It's got keys in my other vehicle.
Good rock survey unit 364, resume normal traffic at 11 o'clock.
I didn't know the people in that red car were in the hospital. You never said anything. You started shooting at me. I thought they were going to respond.
To get it or not.
Man,
It took me forever to get caught up to y'all, and then I barely saw y'all turning left on the Marsh. I was a good like quarter of a mile behind. I'm like, let me turn this off.